A CPA's daily schedule for tax season. Tax season is every CPA's biggest challenge, full of deadlines, piles of paperwork, and constant pressure. But what if you had a daily plan to take control? Here's how you can break down the chaos and create a routine that works for you. Start your day right. Wake up early to get a head start. Begin with light exercise or yoga to energize yourself. A balanced breakfast fuels your body for the long hours ahead. Block your morning for high-priority tasks. Use focus time techniques, like the Pomodoro method, to maximize productivity while avoiding distractions. Don't forget midday breaks. Step away from your desk to recharge your mind. A quick walk or healthy lunch keeps you sharp for the afternoon workload. Afternoons are perfect for complex projects. Use this time for deep focus. Break larger tasks into smaller, manageable steps to avoid burnout. End your day with reflection and planning. Review what you accomplished and set clear goals for tomorrow. But remember, balance is key. Wind down with loved ones or your favorite hobby. Leverage technology like QuickBooks Hosting to streamline tasks, stay organized, and save time. With a structured routine, smart tools, and a focus on self-care, you can make this tax season stress-free.